Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Marine Radio Bluetooth is probably one of the most essential upgrades for any boater looking to enhance their time on the water, seamlessly blending robust communication capabilities with the convenience of modern wireless audio streaming. Imagine crystal-clear voice calls and reliable radio reception, all while enjoying your favorite playlists or podcasts directly from your smartphone, transforming your vessel into a connected entertainment hub without the hassle of tangled wires or complex installations. This technology not only keeps you connected to shore and fellow mariners but also elevates the entire onboard experience, making every journey more enjoyable and secure. Number 5. Pyle PLMRKT46BK Marine Headunit Receiver Speaker Kit. Introducing the Pyle Marine Headunit Receiver and Speaker Kit. This all-in-one system brings your favorite music and calls to your boat with ease. Enjoy your favorite AM/FM stations with the built-in stereo radio. You can also connect external devices via USB, SD card, or the 3.5mm AUX input. The clear LCD display shows song information, while the integrated microphone allows for convenient hands-free calling. Stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth. This kit includes two 5.25-inch waterproof speakers designed to withstand the marine environment. They deliver clear, powerful sound for your enjoyment. With a 300-watt peak power output and a universal single DIN size, this head unit receiver is easy to install. It supports USB and SD memory up to 32 GB. Easily control your music and settings with the illuminated front panel buttons and the included remote control. Customize your sound with the preset equalizer. What we like. This unit comes with everything you need to get started, including waterproof speakers. If you're looking for a complete audio solution for your boat that includes speakers, this is a fantastic all-in-one package. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free installation and immediate upgrade to their boat's sound system. What people say. Pairs immediately with iPhone Bluetooth. The USB port does charge your phone as well. Bluetooth has good range. It automatically pairs to your phone when the boat is turned on. It feels like it is built out of good quality. Number 4. Pyle PLMRB29W Single DIN Marine Stereo Receiver. Introducing the Pyle PLMRB29W, a single DIN digital marine stereo receiver in white. It's perfectly designed for your boat or any marine watercraft. Enjoy wireless music streaming from all your favorite Bluetooth devices, including iPhones, Androids, iPads, and tablets. With a wireless range of 40 feet, you have plenty of freedom. Stay connected safely with the built-in microphone for hands-free calling. You can easily answer or reject incoming calls without taking your hands off the wheel. This receiver boasts a maximum power of 300 watts, delivering clear and powerful sound. It operates on DC 12V power, making it ideal for your vehicle's electrical system. Navigate your music and calls with ease thanks to the illuminated front panel button controls and a clear LCD display. It features a standard single DIN universal size for easy installation. Your purchase includes the stereo receiver, a remote control, and a power and wiring harness. We highly recommend referring to the user manual for optimal use. What we like. This receiver offers a generous 40-foot wireless Bluetooth range, which is great for larger boats or when you want to control your music from a distance. If you value flexibility and the ability to move around your deck while still managing your audio, this is the one to consider. What people say. The radio has a built-in Bluetooth for streaming music and making calls. It is waterproof and dustproof, making it suitable for marine environments. The unit features a large, easy-to-read display and intuitive controls. Number 3. Pyle PLRMR23 By the Way Bluetooth Marine Receiver Stereo. Introducing the Pyle Marine Receiver, designed to bring powerful sound to your boat. Enjoy 300 watts of peak power for an exceptional audio experience on the water. Connect your devices effortlessly with built-in Bluetooth. Stream your favorite music and internet radio services directly from your smartphone or tablet. Never miss a beat with hands-free calling. This unit features a built-in microphone and easy controls to answer, end, or redial calls directly from the console. Easily manage your music with the digital LCD display and front panel controls. Access your music via AUX in, USB, SD card, or AM/FM radio. Designed to fit standard single-DIN openings, installation is straightforward. It comes complete with all necessary wiring and a remote control for your convenience. Experience high-quality sound with customizable EQ settings. Fine-tune your bass, treble, and balance to perfection, ensuring great audio no matter where you are. What we like. This model stands out with its advanced app control features, including Siri dialing. If you're a tech-savvy user who loves integrating your smart devices and wants a more intuitive way to control your marine audio, this receiver offers a modern and convenient experience. What people say. The radio has a built-in Bluetooth connectivity, allowing for wireless audio streaming from a smartphone or other compatible devices. It features a waterproof design, making it suitable for use in marine environments where exposure to moisture is common. The unit is equipped with a digital display that shows important information such as station frequency and song title. Number 2. Pyle PLMRBT18300W Bluetooth Marine Receiver Remote. Introducing the Pyle 300W Bluetooth Controller. This device allows you to play, pause, skip tracks, and adjust volume wirelessly. It's perfect for a variety of vehicles. Enjoy wireless music streaming with its built-in Bluetooth. It easily pairs with your latest devices like iPhones and iPads. Control your media without any hassle. Connect external devices using the 3.5mm AUX input. It also features preamp RCA out for seamless integration with your existing amplifier. Experience full stereo sound. Designed for marine applications, it features a weatherproof, marine-grade construction. It also includes overload and power protection for durability. This controller comes with a flush mounting kit and integrated wiring harness. Its compact size and wireless range of 30 feet make it incredibly convenient to use. What we like. This is a compact and weatherproof Bluetooth controller, ideal for adding modern audio capabilities without replacing your entire head unit. If you have an existing stereo system but want to add Bluetooth and easy media control, this is a perfect, discreet upgrade. What people say. The Bluetooth connectivity is excellent, allowing for seamless streaming of music and podcasts directly to the radio. The unit features a built-in speaker that delivers clear and loud audio, perfect for use in noisy environments. Installation was straightforward, and the compact design fits easily into most boat dashboards without taking up too much space. Number 1. Pyle PLMRM29BT300W Marine Stereo Receiver. Introducing the Pyle 300W Marine Stereo Receiver, designed to bring powerful sound to your adventures on water. Enjoy crystal clear audio with its 300-watt peak power output and customizable EQ settings for the perfect sound. Stream your favorite music and podcasts effortlessly. With built-in Bluetooth, you can connect your smartphone or tablet wirelessly and play audio directly through your boat speakers. Never miss an important call while you're out on the water. This receiver features a built-in microphone for hands-free calling, allowing you to answer and end calls with ease. Control your audio experience with the intuitive digital LCD display and front panel controls. Access AM/FM radio, USB, SD, and AUX inputs conveniently. Designed for a universal single-DIN fit, this receiver easily replaces your existing stereo. Installation is straightforward with the included mounting hardware and wiring harness. Take full control of your music from anywhere on your boat. The included remote control allows you to adjust volume, change tracks, and manage playback without leaving your seat. What we like. This receiver offers robust audio customization with its EQ controls and multiple playback options like USB and SD. If you're an audiophile who likes to fine-tune their sound and has a library of music on various media, this unit provides the flexibility you need for a personalized listening experience. What people say. This Pyle head unit does everything I need it to. Most stereos do not have big amps built in, only smaller ones to give standard sound quality. You should not expect bumping sound from your speakers with any head unit, but this has plenty of power to ensure it functions exactly as it should. A big selling point was a tangible volume knob. My CJ7 is a stick shift, so you have to pay more attention to the road. As this fit perfectly in the previous sun glass holder spot, the unit is mounted in my center console. The knob keeps me from looking down to find the correct button. Installed this stereo specifically to play music by Bluetooth from my phone in the fairing of my Harley. It operates great and is plenty loud through 2-6x9 speakers also in the fairing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.